So, it's 2022 and you're asking yourself, is the iPhone Plus still a good buy? While this phone may not be as snappy as some of its newer brothers and sisters, this phone still holds its own. So let's look at the pros and cons. Pros. This phone still has the home button. Larger form factor than its newer siblings if the home button is something you're still looking for. And still pretty fast as a phone that came out in 2018. And it will still be getting updates probably for the next couple years. The cons include there's no 5G capability, no ProMotion, the bezels are larger, and it doesn't have the refresh rate of the newer models. So is the iPhone 8 Plus still for you in 2022? Is it worth the buy? Many people I think would say yes, as you can see that it's held pretty good value over the other phones from the same year of its release, and people are still buying this phone quite often. I think this has a lot to do with the fact that some people just like the home button, but if you want the larger screen, then you can't really get a newer phone than the 8 Plus, because Apple has done away with the Touch ID in all of their larger models. And I would like to hear from you in the comments on whether or not you will be getting an iPhone 8 Plus in 2022 or some of the newer models. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day, and see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.